Here we have another question on completing the square, and it is for y equals to negative 4x squared plus 8x minus 1. So first step is to write down the question. Then from there, ask ourselves, do we need to factorize anything out based on the coefficient of x squared? Yes, right? Because our consideration is that our x squared coefficient needs to be 1. So because of that, we have to factorize out negative 4 from the first two terms. Why? In my previous video, I did share that the first two terms, which is the square term as well as the x squared term as well as the x term, are necessary terms involved in completing the square, not the constant term. So from here, let's factorize out negative 4. We will be left with x squared minus 2x. From there, negative 1 tags along. Now, whatever that is within the bracket, let's carry on the process of completing the square. And now I'm going to introduce the square bracket. So we will start off with an a squared, then minus 2ab plus b squared. It's a minus 2ab because this sign here is negative. So a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, and because we add this additional term, we have to remove it. Negative 1 tags along. Now, following that, we will have to form the identity based on the first three terms in the next line. And this identity, when you form, is still within the square bracket, so we do not remove the square bracket. A minus b squared. This, when we simplify it, it is just 1, negative 1, and we bring the negative 1 tags along outside the bracket. Now, following that, we are going to remove the square bracket. So in removing the square bracket, remember, we will use this factor outside here to actually expand and multiply into the first term before we multiply to the second term. So for the first term, when you multiply out, it will be negative 4 bracket x minus 1 squared. Then we again take the negative 4 and we multiply to the second term, which is negative 1. So this gives us 4. No more square brackets, and we bring the negative 1 to put it beside positive 4. Finally, we will get to the answer after combining the last two terms, which are constants. So this is how we complete the square.